Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh. Welcome. Ticker symbol SKYT Skywater Technology. Folks, what a week we had. $8.71 were the low and went high of $10.41, destroying our resistance level. I love it. I love what we're heading towards Skywater Technology. But before we talk on the technical side, I want to share some news and also about myself. Folks, about to go on vacation and a business trip to Hawaii Islands and Fiji Islands. So I will be doing my videos from there. And please feel free to ask me any question from Sky Water Technology or those two beautiful islands in the paradise. Those are my favorite islands that I always visit. And one is back home, that's is Fiji Islands. And I'm excited about it going back. So also a couple things I want to share with you guys is videos going to be coming out, but maybe very little bit limited based on that. But I will share all the technical analysis updates for Skywater Technology and the videos on my portfolio. That's a promise that I will do it, and it's coming. So that's why you can see I'm using something different what I used to use it on my past video, because that's the desktop. This is more on the laptop, trying to get more comfortable on that. Views, yes, you will be able to see the views of paradise, so stay tuned on that and feel free to ask me any questions on those two beautiful islands. Folks, let's dive on the fundamental side. Shorts interest, Skywater Technology. Well, you can see the average is about 305,000 volume compare, and the shorts interest, the average volume and the shorts interest over a million, right? Over 1.5 million. That's a lot. Is driving that price kind of a little bit at the steady, but I'm not surprised where the bull is going to take over and make a big push, because the technical side, it is showing a breakout point, but it's not a confirmation yet. But I'm going to share with you guys quickly. Well, we know about this, where we add an average price right now. Like on Friday, it was low of $9.40 and a high of $10. Average previously closed was $9.29. Well, folks, it's a strong buy. Yes, folks, it is a strong buy for Skywater Technology. You get rating of 5 people, analysis, and these are the names on that. Feel free to Google with them. They have a good rating of all of them, so I feel more comfortable going. Sometimes you get the analysis, they do a rating where they have 2 out of 10 or something like that. These are over 5 to 9 ratings on that, so I'm really excited about those two analyses and some good news regarding Skywater Technology, because it is a strong buy. And why do they think strong buy? And I do believe it is a strong buy, because here we go. Well, this is my five-day chart. We talked on my previous things about resistance and support. We can clearly see that $10.05 came in and was acting as a resistance level. You can clearly see that it time and tide. It tested it on Friday, and we finally broke through and went high of $10.41, right? And let's go to look at 3 months. Let's start with 1 month, then we make our way to the year to date. Sorry for the lag on that. Actually, we'll go to year to date, because I mentioned in my previous video this is going to be happening, and sure enough, folks, this is what happened. Pull up, pull down, and pull up back again, right? So trend is your friend, folks, and this is what happened, and it's going to be keep happening. So what I'm going to do is take this, make a screen a little bit clear for you guys to see it, and here you go. We do have a crossover. What does a crossover means? A crossover of a moving average, which is the pink line, which is my 60-day EMA, and my purple line, which is my my pink line is my 200-day EMA, and my blue line, it is a 60-day EMA. It is a crossover point, right? A crossover point, when happens, means in a signal, an indication for a breakout, and which it has happened. Yes, folks, it is happened. You can clearly see the MACD is gaining the momentum right here. We have some green bars, finally from the red to the green, right? RSI is pointing upwards, and his halfway, it has a lot of gas left to run all the way highs of $15 to $10, $15 to $20 and momentum. Yes, folks, that's it, and that is the breakout. That's why you had this gap up, because we did have this gap down. We filled up with the gap up, and that's why you're gonna see a breakout on that. I like where we're holding at $10.29 because time and time you can see the yellow line, which was my resistance level, right, had got rejected, but we broke out on that. We're gonna make our way to the 3 months, then we're gonna make to 6 months in year to date. That was year to date, but we're gonna make it quickly to the 3 months. Look at it, folks. 60-day is the pink line acting as a support. If you're looking at entry point, haven't entered it, something to keep an eye to over there. But you can clearly see the blue line, $9.25. It is gonna be the resistance sitting roughly around there when we have this pullback. I don't see a pullback. I can see trading between these two right here and making higher highs and higher lows. Look at the MACD. Momentum is high. RSI still have a lot of room to run. We're going to go to 6 months. Sorry about the lag on this because it is clearly, clearly you can see that I'm using my laptop and getting comfortable on my, so that I don't miss out anything for guys. But overall, you can look at it. It is a crossover when it happened all the way around from $4.70 to the highs of $10.05. And you can see we have tested 3 times and we have broken it. So I like it. I'm not going to change the resistance level yet because I want to see how this thing plays out, because something to keep an eye moving forward, because I really want to see how it's going to break out. So quickly, right here, the 2 key levels to keep an eye. It is going to be that $10, $11.96, and then right here, I do have that at $14.80, but I'm going to take it because you can see right now the pink line, which is on the maximum on a week-to-date chart, it is going to be a resistance sitting at around at $14. Sorry, that's $13.18 sitting over here. But we are creating this a bull flag pattern right here traded up and going down. So you can clearly see that the indication on that of a crossover confirmation on my chart. That's a triple moving average crossover, which is the indication for an uptrend. You can clearly see the MACD is pointing green, right? We need volume, folks. The only thing is holding is the volume. Volume predicts price, and we do not have enough volume to predict the indication, like a massive uptrend to that, right? I'm not saying it's going to break out like AMC or other stocks like we had, like GameStop, but we need volume to predict a little bit a push over on that. Then you'll see a less movement of a shorts getting involved. But overall, I like what I see. I'm going to go quickly on the year to date and close it up because I really want to share with you guys what's going on. Because we do have this crossover and it is a confirmation of a uptrend right here. So that's why I want to share with you guys quickly that, folks, don't worry, it is coming. And I like what I see right here because this is the confirmation of a crossover. A crossover happens, means a resulting for an uptrend on Skywater Technology or any stock that you are investing on. So key things to look at it, have a plan when you want to sell it, but are the key levels it's kind of broken at this right now, but we got to see if it's going to hold this resistance, because if it doesn't hold, right, we will get a rejected because it is becoming a triple on top, right, triple top. So that usually kind of rejected, but I don't see it happening because the way we hold it up, right, I like what I see because we have this crossover on MACD, RSI is still pointing up, all indications for an uptrend and breaking out. Hey folks, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, turn on the notification so you guys get updated on the stocks, especially on Skywater Technology or any other stocks you're interested on. I do a lot of Tesla, NIO, Boeing, penny stocks, and carnivals. So I do a lot of stocks that are on my portfolio that I share with you guys. The next video I'm going to show my portfolio, what we am on Skywater, and see what are your guys' thought process on that. And these are the stocks that I do on my videos. I usually are on my portfolios. So I'm not doing stocks just in case because I want to promote it. That's not my method of madness behind it. It's not my theory. I do videos because this is on my portfolio and I share my portfolio with you guys. So stay tuned for that, for Skywater Technology coming up next one. So I hope you guys like the video. And please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button, because without your guys' support, I won't be encouraged to making these videos and sharing with you guys. And put a comment down below. What do you guys think of Skywater's target price should be, right? I do understand what my target price is. It is all the way to over $25. And I see this because this company is a big company where has a backup from the government and have contracts from the government to make semiconductor chips. Name it, all the technologies that you have it, and I'm excited about it. Let's go, folks, and hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you for watching the video one more time, and have a wonderful week coming up.